Hey everyone, welcome to my Crypto.com payment app review. Links are down below. Let's dive into its features, who it's for, and how it handles crypto payments. Crypto.com offers a comprehensive platform, and its payment app caters to both seasoned crypto users and newcomers. It supports various cryptos, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to stablecoins like USDT. Beyond buying and selling, you can send and receive crypto, and easily convert it to traditional currencies. A standout feature is the Crypto.com Visa card. Load it with crypto and spend at millions of locations worldwide. Different card tiers offer perks like cashback, lounge access, and boosted rewards. This makes spending crypto in the real world incredibly convenient. Stay on top of the market with real-time price tracking and alerts. Never miss a buying or selling opportunity. Security is paramount. Crypto.com uses two-factor authentication and cold storage to protect your assets. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, this app offers tools for everyone, from simple transactions to advanced features like staking and earning interest. The Crypto.com payment app is a user-friendly, secure, and comprehensive way to manage and spend your crypto. With its Visa card, real-time tracking, and top-notch security, it's a great option for integrating crypto into your daily life.